Introducing the Prama 2-megapixel fixed bullet network camera, your essential companion for enhanced security. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. You'll find the camera, waterproof tape, mounting hardware, screws and the drill template. The camera is packed with advanced features, supporting high-quality imaging with a 2-megapixel resolution, ensuring clear and detailed footage. It uses efficient H.265 compression technology, which helps save bandwidth and storage without compromising on quality. One of the standout features is the wide dynamic range technology. This ensures clear imaging even against strong backlight, making it perfect for various lighting conditions. Additionally, the 3D digital noise reduction technology delivers clean and sharp images by reducing noise in low light conditions. The built-in microphone allows for real-time audio security, adding an extra layer of protection. The Prama 2-megapixel fixed bullet network camera delivers unmatched security and peace of mind for your home and business. Prioritize your safety with Prama.